Hello, my name is Claire Phillips, and I'm going to be showing you guys my README generator using node.js. So here we have our index file that does utilize the Inquirer package. I have my prompt set up that will, prompt you for the information once we run it, my responses, and then using template literals, we'll use those responses that we type into the terminal, and that will generate our README. So we'll go ahead and open up our terminal. We're just going to type in node index.js. We hit enter. It takes just a second, but then again, it is going to prompt you kind of for all of the things. I already see, I'll type in readme generator. Type enter, and it says give a short description of your project. Press enter to launch your preferred editor. I chose this just because sometimes when you're writing readmes, they can get very lengthy, and it's hard to type it all out kind of in that small terminal window. So you can open up an editor, makes it easier. This one just opens up Vim. You press I to insert, and then you can basically put whatever you want. So this is just the description. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste some things I already have, so we do that. When you're happy with what you have, you press escape :WQ, and it takes you back to the main terminal view. And this is the same process. It says give you steps to hit enter, hit I. You're now at insert, and then again, I've already written these out just to save some time, so I'll go ahead and copy and paste. You can type whatever you want in there as well. That's also completely doable. Press WQ, gives you back. For choose a license, it is a list. So you, using your arrow keys, can go up and down whenever you have one that you want. Say we want the MIT license, hit enter. Fix that one for you. Next up is to provide instructions and examples of use. So I'll just go ahead and copy and paste the ones that I already have written. Nope, gotta push I. There we go. And then we say escape :WQ. Here, enter instructions for making contributions. For this one, I did go ahead and find the contributing kind of code of conduct online. And so I have copy and pasted that. And we're just going to go ahead and throw that in there. Makes it very easy. Name one, and then one last editor prompt for the tests. So just go ahead and throw ours in real quick. We say escape. Brings us back to here. It says please enter your GitHub username. So we'll put in Claire Phillips 51, since that is my username. And our email address. If it worked correctly, which it did, it should give you this message that says successfully created README. So when we come back over here, this is the README that we have created. It pretty much has everything. It's got the table of contents, your title, all the things. You can see the license we chose shows up here. And then also at the top, once we show a preview, it'll have a badge up there at the top as well. It's got your test, and then your username, which will link to your profile, and your email address, which will also be linked. And we can show a preview. I'm on a Mac, so I'll say Shift-Command-V. It's Shift-Control-V if you're not using a Mac. And this is kind of just a preview of what it will look like. You can see we've got our things. You click on it, brings you down to questions. If you click on the GitHub profile, it will take you over to straight to your GitHub profile. You can also click the email, and that will open up whatever email you use on a Mac again, so that's what it wanted to use. But this is what it looks like. And of course, you can always push it straight up to your actual GitHub repo online. And that is my README generator preview using node.js.